So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So here are some of the hacks which you can use while creating any React JavaScript applications. So like whenever you create any React applications or any other application using React JavaScript ecosystem or a normal JavaScript ecosystem or in Next JavaScript or any other applications. So here are some of the points which you can note or which you can use while creating any applications. Like first of all, we have the mapping over arrays. Whenever you are trying to map any array data structure, so avoid using indexes as keys. So instead of using index as keys, you can use the item.id as a key, which can improve performance also and stability of the code. So next hack, we have the conditional rendering. So whenever you are implementing any logic which uses conditional rendering, then you can simply use the JavaScript ternary operators, which is a ES6 feature in JavaScript. So next we have the memoization with react.memo. So whenever you are trying to create any functional components, you can easily wrap your component into react.memo. So this is basically used to increase the performance of the component. So next we have the custom hooks. So like whenever you are trying to implement the logic or extract the logic which is to be used in different components, so you can use the custom hooks in React JavaScript. So the custom hooks basically uses the use keyword, and I've already created a video on a custom hook, so you can watch that video. So next we have the state update function. Like whenever there is a situation where the newer state depends on the previous state, then you can simply write set count and previous count is equals to previous count plus 1. So this can be beneficial for you. So next we have the CSS in JS libraries like the style components which are used for styling. So instead of writing the normal CSS, you can use the style components and you can read the documentation also. So these are some of the hacks which you can use while creating any React application. So this can be beneficial whenever where you need any performance increase or optimization technique. So if you like this video, make sure to subscribe, and thank you for watching.